Hi, Rob Clapper here with Bradley Corporation. I'm going to show how the functionality of our roll on top of a roll, our 5402 series double roll toilet tissue dispenser works. This happens to be the Diplomat model, which is a curved front, but the functionality of the inside of the unit is identical. One thing that I like to show people is the fact that it comes with the spindles already in the unit, and the fact that, as opposed to all of our competitors, the interior part of the unit is also all stainless steel. Everybody else has it in regular plain steel, which tend to rust. Ours is all stainless steel, so that's a key advantage. So first off, when it comes like this, it's very simple. You open it up, and the first thing you want to do is pull the spindles out. These are specific to this unit. You can't substitute other kinds of spindles. These are the only ones that will work. So you start by loading the toilet paper into the unit. It's important that you load it where the paper comes out from underneath, not the other way around. It should be feed from the bottom, and the bottom roll, the glue line should already be cut and released. So you just put the spindle in and you run it in from the top and drop it all the way to the bottom. And there you see the tail coming out. And the top one, same direction, but you leave the glue line intact. Otherwise, if you broke that glue line, you might end up drawing two layers of toilet paper coming out at once. So it's the same process. You put the new roll up on top, and you notice it gets suspended above the other roll, so one is independent of the other. When you close the unit up, then you've got this freewheeling unit, and it doesn't have anything to do with the upper unit. So this happens to be the flat front unit, our 5402 series, and what I'm demonstrating here is as the paper continues to empty off the spool, it gets to a certain point, and the top roll pops down. And then the user simply rotates it till he gets to the end of the roll, he breaks the glue line, and starts pulling the paper from the upper roll. So when both rolls are empty, it's just a matter of opening up the front and pulling out the spindles one at a time. Now this is made in such a way too that if this roll is out, but there's still a roll in this one, paper on this one, you let that come down, fill this one, and put it on top. So you can constantly rotate with new rolls. You don't have to wait till both of them are empty.